किताबें तो बहुत सी होती हैं, हर किसी की पसंद भी अलग अलग होती है। किसी को पसंद है लव स्टोरीज, किसी को डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज, तो कोई शौकीन है नॉवेल्स पढ़ने का। पर आज भी कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जो यूथ को करना चाहते हैं इंस्पायर, किसी भी फिल्म के हीरो से नहीं, पर असल जिंदगी के हीरो और हमारे देश को नई राह दिखाने वाले, अच्छे दिन लाने का वादा करने वाले देश के पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी। और उन्हीं पर किताब लिखी है नीलंजन मुखोपाध्याय ने। और ये शख्सियत है रिनाउंड हिस्टोरियन, एंकर और राइटर, जो हाल ही में दिखाई दिए चंडीगढ़ के डीएवी कॉलेज में अपनी बुक नरेंद्र मोदी द मैन द टाइम्स पर चर्चा करते हुए। तो आइए जानते हैं कि उनके एक्सपीरियंस और इस बुक के बारे में राइटर नीलंजन से।
Book is an unauthorized biography of Narendra Modi. It was written after due access to him. He cooperated and gave me unrestricted time and access to information for a large part of the book. I had several sessions interviewing him. Halfway through writing the book, he stopped interacting with me, but the book was completed, and it is acknowledged as one of the most balanced works that is there on Narendra Modi, because my position does not begin on a note of appreciation or on a note of criticism, but begins on a note of neutrality.
पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स की बात करें तो बहुत से ऐसे नेता हैं जिन्हें यूथ की इंस्पिरेशन कहा जाता है, तो नरेंद्र मोदी ही इस बुक के लिए क्यों चुने गए?
I chose Narendra Modi because when I thought of writing this book, I realized that there was a very strong chance that he would become India's future Prime Minister, and also realized that he's one of the most charismatic political leaders to have emerged in India in the last 30 years or 40 years. And also the fact that I was particularly interested in the politics of the Sangh Parivar. I have written about this for more than a quarter of a century. I covered the Ayodhya agitation in great detail. I done a previous book after the demolition of the Babri Masjid. So this is like my home territory.
इस किताब को लिखने में कितना समय लगा, निरंजन ने ये भी बताया।
I thought of writing this book the early part of 2012, and then I wrote it through 2012 and completed the entire manuscript by about the end of 2012, when we did the manuscripts and the proofs in early 2013, and in April-May 2013 this book was released in the market.
Those who have interest in contemporary political history of India, this book will be a great helping hand, said the writer himself.
First of all, basically the book is a very detailed, neutral study of the man and his time. So there is a lot of material in the book about the life and times of Mr. Modi, where he grew up from, how he got into politics, how he grew up, how he developed, what were the kind of strategies he employed, how many of them were good, how many of them were bad, what is his political philosophy. So there is an A to Z of Mr. Modi. There is also a huge amount accompanying material on the kind of politics with which Mr. Modi has been associated with. There's a tremendous political history of India in the 60s, 70s and the 90s. So all that is there in the book. It's a great source of knowledge for anybody who's interested in contemporary political history of India.
कुछ इस तरह बयां किया नीलंजन मुखोपाध्याय ने पीएम की जिंदगी के इंस्पायरिंग पलों को इस किताब के जरिए। उम्मीद है उनकी ये कोशिश यूथ को ज्यादा से ज्यादा मोटिवेट कर सके। कैमरामैन अमन के साथ प्रभजोत कौर पवार के लिए हरलीन कौर, डे नाइट न्यूज, चंडीगढ़।
खबरों की दुनिया में आइए, हमारे साथ कहीं भी और कभी भी जुड़िए। हम मिलेंगे फेसबुक पर, हम दिखेंगे यूट्यूब पर, हमें फॉलो कीजिए ट्विटर पर। खबरों के साथ बने रहिए रात दिन।